A restaurant staffer was arrested for secretly filming inside the women's restroom. Police said the accused, 30-year-old Surendra Rana, had been working at Case Charcoal restaurant in Piplod area of Surat for around 2 years. He had placed his phone on the sill of a ventilation window in recording mode. The incident came to light when a customer noticed something unusual while using the washroom. She climbed up, found the phone, and discovered it was recording her. The device had also captured Rana placing it there. Restaurant management identified him in the footage. Rana fled but was caught a few hours later by Umrah police. Officers seized 2 phones from him, one used for filming and another where the videos were stored.
प्रारंभिक इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जो मोबाइल में उसने सिम डाला हुआ है उसमें उसका गूगल हिस्ट्री है, उसमें पूरा उसने फोन जो वेबसाइट्स हैं उसको ही सर्च किया हुआ है और उसकी विजिट की हुई है उसने.
At least 5 clips of the same washroom were recovered. Police booked him under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita for voyeurism and insulting the modesty of a woman along with sections of the IT Act. The section defines voyeurism as someone watching a woman engaging in a private act and not expecting to be observed. If they record a woman in this state or share such footage, they would be jailed for at least a year for the first offence. If they repeat the offence, they would be jailed for at least 3 years, which could extend to 7 years. A fine would also be imposed in both cases. Oftentimes, such videos are uploaded to porn sites, with websites offering secretly filmed videos as a genre, and other than porn, such videos are even sold. Disseminating such personal imagery without a person's consent is called a digital sex crime. Voyeurism means watching somebody without their knowledge when they are engaging in a personal act such as changing clothes, taking a bath, or having sex. This habit can also advance to the voyeuristic disorder, wherein the voyeur derives sexual pleasure from watching unsuspecting people in private acts and is unable to control the urge to do so. In Surat, Rana's devices were sent for forensic testing. Umrah police inspector explained that the restaurant employed about 50 people, of whom 40 were men. Rana had been assigned to clean the women's washroom. While his wife and children lived in Jharkhand, he stayed in Surat with his younger brother, who also worked at the same restaurant. The police checked his phone and found 5 video clips recorded inside the washroom. Later, Case Charcoal issued a statement saying, "Though all our staff members had been police verified, we are now initiating a fresh, thorough screening of every individual. To reassure our guests, we have also taken the decision to temporarily close the restaurant until these safety measures are completed. The privacy and safety of our guests is our highest priority, and we promise to rebuild your trust with stronger safeguards than ever before."
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.